When installing a small door, there will be 2 hinges. For the larger wardrobe door, there will be 3 hinges. The hinges and the hinge plates connect to each other as seen in this clip and click together. Next, carefully tap the hinges into the cut-out portion of the door using a rubber mallet. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, screw the hinge plates into the pre-drilled holes in the cabinet side panels. Continue for the other 2 hinge plates. Connect the door hinge to the cabinet hinge plate by positioning the hooks from the hinge into the M shape on the plate and pressing down until you hear the click. If needed, you can refine the door alignment by making adjustments to the hinge plate, as shown in Figure 15 of your installation manual. Lastly, attach the door knob through the pre-drilled hole and install the plastic bumper buttons on the inside of the door.